Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a tag on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way around to the dock. Go to the Find application. Now what we will do is navigate to a tag which is on the sidebar. Let's just go to orange. As you can see, there is nothing within this tag. Let's go back one. Let's go to our folder, GitHub, right click. Let's tag this to, go to tags, click on orange, enter, and now let's go to the orange tag. As you can see, GitHub, the folder is now in that tag. If I were to go back one, and now let's go to the tags on the sidebar, right click on orange and delete tag orange. So this will give us a message on screen. Do you want to delete tag orange and remove it from one item? Yes. Bear this in mind that the folder GitHub will not be deleted, as this is in a different folder, different repository, not within tags. Tags is like a shortcut for us to get to the folder without having to click on multiple folders in order for us to get to the destination. So let's just click on delete tag. There you can see the folder is still there, but the tag itself from the left hand side navigation menu sidebar has been removed and deleted. We can bring it back, but that's for another video. So let's now quit Finder, go all the way down to the dock. There you can see that folder GitHub is still available, but the tag, orange tag, has been deleted and removed from the system. Close Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.